Hi, this is Carla with WTI. Now I want to show you the OLED Nintendo Switch. How pretty is this console? The OLED Nintendo Switch is such a nice update. I mean, just look at the color, look how sleek it looks. It's very modern, finished look. And I mean, the black and white, you can't go wrong with them. Now, one of my favorite features about this is the screen. I mean, you can really enjoy the colors and really enjoy the graphic designs in the game, and especially when you hold this in handheld mode, which most of the time I use it like that, you can really enjoy the screen. Another cool feature that I like is the white stand that it has. I mean, it's very smooth to adjust, so however you want to view your OLED Nintendo Switch, you can do that. And that's one of my favorite features as well, because I mean, however you want to adjust it, it's easy, it's sturdy, and it stays still. This holds 64 gigabytes of storage, so it holds more storage, and you can also insert a micro SD card in there. Also, let me show you like the Joy-Cons. Just like the Nintendo Switch, they're very easy to remove, and when you go ahead and use it in a different controller, you can see just how nice the black and white color goes perfectly together, and that's what I really love. Also, with the OLED Nintendo Switch, it has enhanced audio, so you can hear more clear the audio of the games, and that's something that I can appreciate, because then I can enjoy the screen that it has vivid colors and then enhanced audio. So I really enjoy the OLED Nintendo Switch, and especially in handheld mode. So if you love Nintendo and you're a gamer and you really want to appreciate the vivid colors of your game, I highly recommend the OLED Nintendo Switch, and that is my point of view.